Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to easily log in with an authentication on Xero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First navigate to Xero login page. Once you're on the page, next, it's time to enter your email and password. Make sure you input your registered email accurately, followed by your password. After entering your credentials, click on the login button again to continue. Now, if you haven't already set up multi-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to do so. Look for the option to set up multi-factor authentication and click on it. This adds a strong additional layer of protection, which is especially important when handling sensitive accounting information. You'll be given a couple of choices at this stage. You can choose to use Xero Verify for your authentication method, or you can select the option to use your own app instead. If you decide to use your own app, Google Authenticator is a popular and highly recommended choice. After selecting your preferred app, click on Enter Code. This is where the Authenticator app generates a unique code that you'll use to verify your login attempt. When prompted, open your Authenticator app and enter the code it provides accurately. Once you've entered the code correctly, click on the Confirm button. Next, it will ask you to add backup email address. Simply type your email address in this field and click Next. Now enter the code that is Xero sent to your backup email. This completes the authentication process and ensures you are now securely logged into your Xero account. And that's it. So that is how you can easily log in with an authentication on Xero. So that's all for this video. Thanks.